2018 and newer Chevy Equinox in GMC terrain, sunroof motor and sunshade motor replacement. The sunroof and the sunshade motor module is located in the vicinity here, back there. So I'm going to be dropping the headliner just a little bit, right? Just a little bit, and get this side, this trim piece here loose and on both sides, so I can get access to the sunroof motor. Let's go. The cover here needs to pop off just like that one. Let's remove it. There is a 7mm in there. Let's take it off. I got both of them off. Now let's remove this thing here. I take that for a net. So if you have a neck to put in the back for groceries, you need to remove those on both sides. And let's pop those push pin here. There's two of them. Let's pop it off with the tactile like this. So I got both of them loose up there. Now I already have this side loose, that trim piece. All you gotta do is just have them loose, that's all. So you can drop the headliner a little bit so you can get access to those 3 bolts that's holding the panel in place, the motor in place. So to do this one here, you need to use a trim tool and peel the water strip a little bit so you can pop the clips using a calculator like this. There's a few of them here you need to pop off. This end here, you can see I pop it off. So I got both of them, both sides loose. Once again, you need a calculator to disengage those clip here all around it so you can get it loose. You don't have to remove it all the way on both ends, and you peel the weather strip out like this so you can drop the headliner a little bit. And here's the motor. That's the motor here on both sides. I'm replacing both of them because both of them fail. I don't know how that happened, but the code that it's displaying, whenever you have that code, GM want you to replace it because it's in code for internal malfunction. So all you gotta do is just replace them whenever you see that code. Don't even mess with it. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just replacing them. So here's the new one. That's the new one here. I'll be posting the link in the comment section below. And so let's do this. They're held by 3, 8 or 10mm. So let's remove them. As you guys can see, I got this one loose. It's 3 8mm bolt. So let's remove the connector in it. You push that tab here, and so you can remove it. That's the old one. No, here is the old one. It looks like the motor fell, or the gears. Look how dirty a metal shaving that's in there too. You have a lot of metal shaving. That's probably why it fell. It jammed and it fell. So we're replacing it. So the new sunroof motor is in. So we're gonna do the sunshade over there now. It is here by 3 10mm. So let's take it off and put a new one in. So same storyline for the sunshade. Look how dirty that thing is. With a lot of metal shaving. That's the new one. That's the old one. So we're gonna be doing it. So both motors are in now. We're going to try to reset it.